Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are the user of a Amazon Assistant, Alexa, Echo, and so on, there is going to be a change that is being pushed across the AI assistants or the assistants themselves, because they want to increase the power of the assistants and use AI-driven search and requests that you could ask. Amazon has announced today that the devices will no longer process the requests that you will give it. For example, any voice questions or any voice commands you will send out will now be sent to the cloud for AI processing to give you more accurate results. That also means that these requests that you will ask, that you will do, will also be stored in the cloud. And although Amazon says that it will keep its privacy promise, meaning that they are not going to use that data in ways that shouldn't be done, well, you might think about it and say, well, I don't really want my, requests to be recorded and stored in the cloud for a certain amount of time. So they will give you an option. If you do use one of these devices, what I recommend is you go into your Alexa app. There you go, open more. You go into the Alexa privacy. There, manage your Alexa data. And here you have automatically delete recordings. And it says then select off to enable this setting. So this will delete all of the things that you want. So you'll have a choose time period to keep your voice recordings and then select confirm. So here you have an on and off for automatically delete recordings. You choose if you want to have the recordings stored or not to the cloud. And of course, they do say it might take up to 36 hours for the change you will actually give to be done. And this is going to make sure that your data isn't kept, or your voice requests aren't kept for months and months. Same applies, on Google. Google also stores all of your searches for a while that you can go and listen to, actually, and you will hear your voice recordings there. So change coming up with the Alexa or the Echo devices from Amazon, where you will now be talking, giving requests that will go to the cloud and not just being processed through the device. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.